If I had to learn editing again today, I'd skip 90% of tutorials and learn 3 moves that actually keep people watching. You watch a dozen tutorials, memorize shortcuts, and still your videos die at 22 seconds. You blame the camera, the mic, the algorithm, or bad luck. You secretly over-edit and underthink. You feel stuck and embarrassed to show your timeline. Editing is a thinking skill first and a tools skill second. The software only executes decisions you already made in your head. If your decisions are weak, speed and fancy effects just make the weak parts louder. Principle 1. Edit to the question, not the footage. Before you touch clips, write the question each cut must answer. Example questions. Does this explain the step? Does this make them want to keep watching? Does this slot into the next line? Practice. Open one clip. Make 3 cuts that each answer one clear question. If a cut fails, delete it. Principle 2. Sound first. Assemble dialogue. Scratch SFX and music stem first. Trim visuals to fit the audio's rhythm. Why? People leave when the voice feels awkward. You can fix visuals faster than you can fake natural speech. Practice. Make a 60 to 90 second video where you don't touch a single visual until the VO feels right. Principle 3. Design micro arcs inside every 15 seconds. Every 15 seconds should have a tiny tension, movement, and payoff. Structure. Lead with a small promise, deliver a visual beat, then resolve with a tighter frame or a sound hit. Practice. On a 3-minute video, mark timestamps every 15 seconds and label the tiny arc. If any segment lacks movement, tighten or recut. Practical example. Walkthrough. 1. Drop the full voice memo into the timeline. 2. Remove ums, long pauses, and one redundant sentence. VO goes from 180 seconds to 90 seconds. 3. On a paper or notes layer, write one question per remaining sentence. 4. For each sentence, choose a single visual idea. Don't stack ideas. 5. Assemble visuals roughly to the VO. Use jump cuts on action, not on silence. 6. Apply the micro arc rule every 15 seconds. Result: a 90-second cut that feels intentional, fast, and calm, without fancy effects. This matters because your edits are the only resume you get as an editor. When you edit like a thinker, you stop chasing tricks and start getting better clients. You stop being ashamed of your timeline. You gain a quiet confidence that shows in every cut. Tonight, open one old project. Delete one beautiful shot. Tighten the audio first. See what the viewer actually feels.